Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can correctly make your text glow in Canva. So first, you can just write your text in Canva like this, then click on the text, find effect, and choose left. Here you can adjust the intensity to your liking. Okay, you can just go back, and here I'm going to change the color to make the text pop up more. So I'm going to use this yellow color, then duplicate the text, and on the duplicate text you need to go to effect and add the neon effect, this one, and here you can adjust the intensity. I'm going to go with around 30, and you can just put it on top of the first text like this. Now duplicate the text again and then go to effects, and now select the shadow effect. Click on adjust and change the color of the shadow with the same with the text color, and in here you can adjust it as you like it. So for the offset, I'm going to go with 50, and the direction -45. The blur, I'm going to go with 0, and here the transparency 40. Sorry, I'm going to go with a blur around 60, and here you can just go back and place it on the top like this. Then you are done. So you'll get this glowing text as the result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.